In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find savings event in Costco. First, open your browser and go to Costco.com, the Costco wholesale website. On the home page, look to the top navigation bar. This is where Costco highlights current deals, and it's your quickest path to all promotions running right now. Click the Savings tab in that top menu. This opens Costco's main savings hub. From here, choose Shop All Savings. That option gathers every active offer into one view, so you don't have to click through separate departments to find what's on sale. Now browse all the savings. You can scan featured promotions or narrow things down with the filters along the side, such as department, brand, or price range, and adjust the sort tools at the top to organize by relevance, price, or newest offers. If you already have a product in mind, use the search bar, then check whether it appears within the savings results. Depending on your region, you might be prompted to sign in to see member-only pricing, which is normal for warehouse deals. As you scroll, watch for the Instant Savings label. Instant Savings are discounts that apply automatically at checkout, no codes or coupons required. You'll also notice start and end dates and, at times, quantity limits or online-only notes. Paying attention to these details helps you plan before a promotion ends or an item sells out. When something looks good, click the product to open its page. Here you can immediately see how much you save. Costco typically shows the original price, the instant savings amount, and the new price, often with a per unit breakdown. That pricing box gives you the exact discount so you can compare options confidently. You can also check the business delivery category. Select business delivery to move to Costco's business-focused storefront. On those pages, savings event banners and instant savings callouts are easy to spot, and they often emphasize bulk-friendly deals. Availability and pricing can differ from the main retail site, and you may be asked to confirm your location so Costco can display the correct offers for your delivery area. Continue browsing until you find the products that fit your needs. Open any item to confirm the savings details, compare discount amounts across similar products, and review the promotion dates so you know exactly what's included. Every product page clearly shows how much you can save before checking out. And that's it. Start at the Savings tab, choose Shop All Savings, look for Instant Savings labels, check product pages for the exact discount, and don't forget to explore business delivery for additional savings event offers.